So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair. The stylist cuts the hair. Wow, looks like a beautiful pixie bob variation. Loving the color on this with the money piece highlights in the front. Such a chic and stylish modern hairstyle. Absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you are feeling inspired, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this pixie bob variation that features some blonde and black coloring. And then we see the stylist do a pixie for this next one. This features a gorgeous choppy texture to it, bangs in the front, really playing on more of a traditional pixie style. Absolutely stunning. So then we move on to the next transformation. So she has blonde hair here, and it looks like she decided to switch it up with this undercut style. Wow. Look at the feathered bangs going there. Beautiful shape and texture, lots of volume within this cut. And she also donated her hair, very good. So next up, it looks like we have a hair color transformation. Stylist adds some color, does some more cutting. It looks like she might have gotten like a bit of a gloss. Wow, absolutely gorgeous pixie bob haircut. Beautiful. Very nice, chic, modern style. So for the next transformation, we have someone who has long ombre colored hair. Looks like she has some grown out blonde there. Beautiful curly strands. It looks like she wants to add in some more blonde. Some face framing highlights. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning. So much dimension was added within the coloring. Very pretty. So then we see someone who has long mid-back length hair, and she has decided to cut her hair into a nice, chic, effortless bob. Gorgeous. Love the simplicity with this one. So then we have another hair color change. Now she has this bold orange colored hair, and she has decided to go a little bit more red with this one, really creating a really pretty orange red effect. Wow, kind of reminds me of just like fire. So beautiful. And then we have someone who also wants to do kind of something similar. So you guys remember Ginger Spice from the 90s. She used to wear like this beautiful fiery copper colored hair. So that is what this girl is requesting. So this is going to be really pretty because it is going to feature some of the blonde mixed in as well. So there's the inspiration, and wow, absolutely gorgeous. All right, you guys, I hope you were feeling inspired by today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.